Riverhead Capital Management LLC raised its holdings in shares of Baker Hughes A GE Company, New York Stock Exchange by 40.2% during the second quarter, according to its most recent disclosure with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The fund owned 96,546 shares of the oilfield services provider's stock after acquiring an additional 27,696 shares during the period. Riverhead Capital Management LLC's holdings in Baker Hughes A GE were worth $5,263,000 at the end of the most recent reporting period. Other hedge funds and other institutional investors have also modified their holdings of the company. Vantage Financial Partners Ltd. Incorporated purchased a new stake in shares of Baker Hughes A GE during the second quarter valued at approximately $994,000. Winslow Evans Crocker Inc. boosted its stake in shares of Baker Hughes A GE by 7.9% during the second quarter. Winslow Evans Crocker Inc. now owns 1,880 shares of the oilfield services provider's stock valued at $103,000 after purchasing an additional 138 shares during the period. Partners Capital Investment Group Holdings LLC boosted its stake in shares of Baker Hughes A GE by 0.3% during the first quarter. Partners Capital Investment Group Holdings LLC now owns 1,944 shares of the oilfield services provider's stock valued at $116,000 after purchasing an additional 5 shares during the period. TrimTabs Asset Management LLC boosted its stake in shares of Baker Hughes A GE by 89.2% during the first quarter. TrimTabs Asset Management LLC now owns 2,121 shares of the oilfield services provider's stock valued at $127,000 after purchasing an additional 1,000 shares during the period. Finally, Trust Company of Vermont boosted its stake in shares of Baker Hughes A GE by 21.5% during the first quarter. Trust Company of Vermont now owns 2,260 shares of the oilfield services provider's stock valued at $135,000 after purchasing an additional 400 shares during the period. Institutional investors and hedge funds own 91.32% of the company's stock. Shares of Baker Hughes A GE Company opened at $57.68 on Wednesday. The firm's 50-day moving average price is $55.90, and its 200-day moving average price is $59.83. Baker Hughes A GE Company has a one-year low of $43.09 and a one-year high of $68.59. Buy has been the subject of a number of analyst reports. HSBC Holdings plc reissued a hold rating and set a $58 price objective, down previously from $60, on shares of Baker Hughes A GE in a research note on Thursday, June 22. Royal Bank of Canada set a $72 price target on Baker Hughes A GE and gave the stock a buy rating in a research note on Saturday, July 1. Value Engine raised Baker Hughes A GE from a sell rating to a hold rating in a research note on Friday, June 2. Tudor Pickering lowered Baker Hughes A GE from a buy rating to a hold rating in a research note on Friday, June 23. Finally, Jefferies Group LLC set a $67 price target on Baker Hughes A GE and gave the stock a hold rating in a research note on Wednesday, May 31. 2 analysts have rated the stock with a sell rating, 16 have given a hold rating and 13 have issued a buy rating to the stock. Baker Hughes A GE presently has an average rating of hold and an average target price of $62.27. Baker Hughes A GE Company Profile. Baker Hughes, a GE company, is an oil and gas company. The company is a provider of integrated oilfield products, services and digital solutions. The company's products and services include upstream, midstream, downstream, industrial and digital. The company's upstream, which includes evaluation, drilling, completions and production, Receive news and ratings for Baker Hughes A GE Company daily. Enter your email address below to receive a concise daily summary of the latest news and analysts' ratings for Baker Hughes A GE Company and related companies with MarketBeat.com's free daily email newsletter.